Hello guys, Rickaquaog here and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing and review of my first computer monitor light bar from Xiaomi. Without taking much of your time, let's get to the video. Okay, like we always do it, let's check out what comes in the box when you pick this up. The unboxing was pretty straightforward. Inside the box you have the paperwork that is Chinese and English. Then you find the USB type A to C for powering the light bar. The next is the clamp for mounting to your monitor. It feels really premium. Then you find the 2.4 GHz controller, which is lightweight and has a matte finish. That's really good because you're going to be touching this a lot and you're not going to have a lot of fingerprints on it. The next item inside here is the light bar itself. It's lightweight, has a premium metallic feel. It feels really good. Setting this up was very easy. All you have to do is to put a USB-C part into the clamp. The lamp sticks to the clamp through magnets. Place the clamp on your monitor. Put the other end of the USB into a power supply, which can be almost anything. A power bank, laptop, or a USB outlet like I have here. That's it. To control this, you put two AAA batteries into the controller. I'm sure you've realized by now the controller for this lamp is wireless. That's one of my favorite features of this because I can place this anywhere on my desk and I won't worry about connecting cables, which is really nice. To control this, one click to turn it on or off, rotate the knob to adjust the brightness, press and hold on the knob simultaneously to adjust the color temperature from warm to cold. Easy and simple to use. Whilst at the desk you get a 25-degree angle rotation for the light bar. It illuminates my desk very well and you can dim it to a very low light for all your needs. You don't get any glare on your screen, so it doesn't affect whatever you are doing. To be honest, I really like this lamp. It looks good and functions really well. What really sold me on this was the wireless controller. The fact that it doesn't come with any connecting cable and I can place it anywhere on my desk. It's really cool. And having a lamp like this reduces eye strain when you're sitting at the desk, and the fact that it doesn't occupy any space at all on my desk but adds a lot of function to my desk. I really like this lamp. This light can easily light up my keyboard when I'm using it at night. I can read at my desk now. It's easy on my eyes and still looks really cool. I got this from Banggood for about $42. That's about 300-ish Ghana cedi, and it shipped really fast. I think it took about 3 weeks to get here. You can easily pick one of these up from the link below from the description, or if you have a local Xiaomi shop you can probably check it out. I'm sure they definitely have one of these. That'll probably be it for today. I love this lamp. I definitely can't go back to not using a lamp at my desk. So like I said, this brings me to the end of my quick review of the Xiaomi computer light bar. If you're new to this channel, of course subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section as I'm always hanging out with you. Stay liquid and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace, I'm out.